In 2024, fraud cases rose by 16%, with scammers stealing more than £3 million a day. Here at the University of Birmingham, we've partnered with Birmingham-based law firm Tenant Law to launch a new pro bono fraud clinic. So the Fraud Clinic is one of many pro bono projects. It's a clinic that specifically supports and advises people who may have been victims of fraud. We have student volunteers who meet with those clients and interview them under the supervision of a professional lawyer, and it just seeks to support those individuals who have been victims of fraud. We know that instances of fraud are on the rise. We know that it's a huge area of legal need, and we want to be able to make that as accessible to people as possible, particularly those people who may not otherwise have easy or indeed free access to legal advice and support. And so it's a good opportunity for our students to be able to develop some of those client handling skills to be able to deal with these cases in a compassionate way.
Being part of the clinic has honestly been great. It's definitely been one of my favourite experiences of the year thus far. I've really enjoyed kind of taking what we learn theoretically and being actually able to apply it in a more practical setting.
The Fraud Clinic is really helpful for the clients that it sees. Having an opportunity to talk through their legal issue with the students, but also knowing that there's a professional in the room with them who understands the area of law inside and out. Just knowing that there's an opportunity to gain that legal advice and that support completely for free is of huge help for them. The Fraud Clinic can deal with all types of fraud, but also potential types of fraud. So if you know you've been the victim of a fraud, the clinic can help you. If you think you've been the victim of a fraud, but you're not sure, the clinic can still help. Either way, you can book an appointment for the clinic by going onto our website, and you can fill in an online form, and then a member of the team will be in touch with you.